go ahead.
Dress attire for Yom Kippur, what would that consist of?
That's a good question. So first, the most important element is no leather shoes, whatever you do. So properly, like some people, they come in sneakers. I'm not sure what garbage heap they found these sneakers. It's like a person would come in a suit with like white dirty sneakers. Like it's not normal. So first of all, I mean, of course, we started late. It's or if it's possible, if you can go to the store in the morning, let's say tomorrow, and buy normal canvas shoes, like any like not leather shoes, and not these fake leather shoes. So whatever is it, it's good. Some people use Crocs also, like they come with the suits and the Crocs. It's use little silly. Let's put it this way. Okay, so after the shoes, so it's I mean, it's not obligation. It's not, but in many communities there is tradition to actually dress in all white. So in this case, we emulated the angels, right? Why angels? Because that's what angels do, right? They serve Hashem non-stop. As we said, we have 5 prayers, and they don't eat, they don't drink, they don't have relations with the wife. So that's what we do. And you understand? So it's if you have white, we wear white. So the tradition for men, if they have, we wear something like this piece of clothing that is called kittel. So kittel is something like, I don't know, like a doctor's coat, right? Long, like with a button, and a coat, and so it's to remind us of the days of the death, right? Because every person thinks that he or she is going to live minimum to 225 years of age, minimum, in a good health. So, but on this, and of course, when you in your mind you have so many years ahead of you, so most likely you're not ready to do teshuva today. And I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about anybody. Like in general, a person is not ready to depart from the fun in life, right? From the sins in life. So, but when you remind yourself, you know what, I'm still alive, but I'm wearing this thing as they put on, not exactly like this, but very close things, tachrichim they call it, that they put on the dead people. So it reminds to us to be very humble, do teshuva, and understand that Hashem is running the world. You understand? That's of course, if you don't have white, if you don't have this kittel, if you don't have anything like just respectable, understand it is you're going to stand before the judge, before the judge of the world, because before the kings of the kings, and so be of course dressed up as your best possible attire. That's for sure. What else? Any other questions? Okay, so we stop here then. So tomorrow, of course, there is no class, and on Wednesday also there is no class, because after we finish, and then this and that, so it's there is no class basically. So the next time we're going to speak on Thursday, Beezrat Hashem. Thank you very much. We all should be stamped, right? Stamped in the book of life for next year, for a good and healthy year, and very productive. So health is needed. There's only one reason for health: to get close to Hashem. So we do His mitzvahs, and for all other things, right? For parnasa, for livelihood, it's only one reason: to get close to Hashem, to be able to do His mitzvahs. As we know, it's not exactly free. Like you have to, I mean, for many mitzvahs you have to pay money. So that's why we ask all of these things to in order to do his will, and to do his will, you need the money, right? In many instances, and you need health and other things. Okay.